So we're going to talk about what happens when you repeat an experiment. So what we're going to do is, let's say that we have a spinner, and I am going to choose the spinner that looks like this. And you can see there is 4 different colours. Let's say I spin it 10 times. This is taking quite a long time to spin, but you can see that this is an experiment. And then after the experiment, we get 3, 2, 2, 3. So this is the result of the experiment. Obviously, the theory would suggest it would be 2.5, 2.5, 2.5, 2.5. Now, if we spin it again, we can see what's going to happen. And we're now going to add another 10. And our results are going to be 5, 5, 5, 5. That's exactly the same as the theory, because each is a quarter. Or 5 out of 20, 5 out of 20, 5 out of 20. You could write that as 25%. Now it's 9, 6, 8, 7. You can see that the experimental probability doesn't always match the theoretical probability. Another thing you could do is you could throw a coin 20 times. If you threw a coin 20 times, wow, because this is an experiment, we've managed to get 14 heads and 6 tails. That is very different to the experimental probability. But the more you repeat an experiment, let's say if we do it 100 times, this helps you get a grade 6 in the investigation. Oh, wow, look, you can see this one's 50-50 by chance. But if we tossed it again 100 times, 51-49. So it's quite close to the theory, but not quite there. Let's now change it so it's like 10 million times. 10 million times. So if we're throwing the coin 10 million times, it's not possible on this. So we toss it and we get 50-50, or the percentages are 50.0231, 49.9769. So basically, the more you repeat an experiment, the closer it's going to be to the theoretical probability.